Welcome to the video, you guys. Today we're going to be playing Risk of Rain 2. We'll just kind of be chilling, doing multiple runs. Two is probably the most I can do today. That's what we're doing today. We're just going to be chilling, playing the game. There's a chest underneath my pod. Anyway, continuing on we go, killing everything in our wake, at least everything in our wake that we can kill. And then, I guess I haven't ever said the bandit's special ability. All the creatures have, or people have special abilities. My special ability on this one is that, if you hit someone from behind, you deal extra damage. Just kind of dealing with these guys as we're going. Man, last time I did this was a bit ago, wasn't it? But yeah, we're just gonna kind of do our best here. I think this gives me a chance to dodge, right? Yeah, chance to block. I don't remember what this does. Chance on hit to attach a bomb. And also, if you hit someone with this R ability, it restarts the R ability. Oh, okay, gain nothing. Gamble again. Found nothing again. Great, there's a guy up here. Yep, but onward we go. I forgot that I take fall damage. Hey, lunar coin. These are useful in the future. I think they allow us to buy a new character, is what they allow me to do. So yeah, this is just a turret. We're gonna buy it though. Kind of want to repair turret, but that's fine. And it gives me the money from them. That's handy. I did not know that. Cool. Onwards and upwards. You. I guess really what I should be doing is doing this, right? Boom. Okay. I guess that's what I'll be doing for the future. Let's do the random one. Go. 25% gain 25 max health. Just straight up miss, which is unfortunate. The sensitivity on this is quite high. Kill that one. Kill that one. Just straight up missed again. Hey, another lunar coin. You generally don't get these this fast. Gain temporary barrier on kill. Ah. So if I just kept killing things, would I just... Okay, the teleporter is over in that direction, as signified by the, Okay. Handy, handy. What is this thing? Stone golems. Oh. These things are stone golems? No, they're not. I don't know where the stone golems that it spawned are, but they're here somewhere, so... Give me a... Anyway, continuing on where we're just gonna kill this guy. Try to, anyway. Oh, it can shoot behind it? That's not fair. You killed him. Okay. And we got an item. It's a double jump. So it turns out if you hit with your shift, you can also apply the bomb effect. Interesting. I'm getting dealt damage. Oh no. Come on, dude. Just let me enter the portal. Haha! Actually, I should probably go take out the extra... Take the extra stuff that is here. What is this? Do I count as a nearby ally? Am I an ally to myself? Well, we're going for the, interesting... The gambling. We're going to gamble. That's pretty much all we're doing. Is gambling all our money away. Go! Yeah! Go again. Oh. Go again. Yeah! Okay, I can't get anything else. That's good. That's good. Wouldn't want to waste any more of my money. This one heals... I think this one heals on hitting people. Ah, no, I was incorrect. That is not what that does. But we still have quite a lot of gold. Is there anything else you can do with it? Do we have any extra stuff that we could do with it? That's pretty much what we're looking for right now, is ways to spend our 178 gold, because after it does nothing for us. So I feel like the stone giant was probably the best one I could have gotten in that moment. Just because I have this, which allows me to go behind it, and it's so huge that all of my hits just hit it, and it does so much damage so fast. So we'll just continue onward. Even though we'll lose 189 gold. Oh right, double jump. Forgot about that. Anyway, continuing. Oh, my gold turns into oh, the gunner shirt comes with me. Yep, okay, so just about we're just trying to not die. Guess that's every roguelike though. But just try not to die quickly. What is this? I don't want that. Oh, turns out my thing just makes me heal much faster. The things that say outside of danger, those things, heal me much faster. Ah, very handy. Okay. We didn't die and we can heal. Okay. Onward we go. Ah, thing to spend my money on. Oop, didn't know that was a special one. Okay, we got it. And we're gonna move forward. Another thing to spend money on. Rapidly heal outside of danger again. What would this give me? More health. I don't really need to be that tanky. Or at least that's not the hope, really, of this build. I kind of want to... Okay, and continuing onward. We found the teleporter. Hopefully we can find something to spend more money on, because I have 462 gold. But, I mean, we're leveling up pretty fast, honestly. We have quite a bit of health. Unlike normal. I could make us have a lot more health, though. I just can't find anything to spend money on. There we go. My sprint speed is now higher. Which is all handy dandy, but honestly, just wish I had something better. There we go. Two elites right next to each other. So many things are spawning. Give me something random. Okay. And running away. Actually, we should probably deal with at least some of these. I never use this left ability. Now kill. Okay, and we're running forward towards the teleporter now. Come on, let's go. What do we get? Stone Titan. Again. Dude, that's so much damage. Okay, it's dead. What did I get, actually? Chance to kill. Chance that on kill they drop treasure. Treasure! Treasure! I really don't need treasure. I have 1,000 gold! Why do I have 1,000 gold? I don't need 1,000 gold. This is getting ridiculous. Okay, I think I've killed everything. Oh, nope. How do I get rid of this gold? Literally cannot think of a way to get rid of all this gold. I mean, I can't find anything to buy. There are just not enough things for me to buy. You, come with me. Isn't this the, yeah, that's the thing. I'm going fast. Oh, wait. I don't think it's actually moving to harder since I finished all the stuff. I believe that's how it works. That's just dead thing. I thought it was a drone. Oh, there's something up there. Probably go up there. Anything down here? Not really. Just death. Okay. I have a missile drone now. Don't know if that's any good, but I have one. Give me stuff. Cool. More money. What I needed. This thing. What does that do? What did that do? I don't know what that did. Can I open this thing? Please? No? Okay. I don't think there's any more things I can really spend my money on. There's something up there. Let's try to get over there. We'll see. I don't even know how I get up there. Ah, I got up here. I don't think... Okay. Well, back to the thing. Is that another thing? Buy it. Buy it. Hey, I got a green. Slows enemies on hit. Cool. Don't really need that, but cool. I should probably take the extra health, shouldn't I? But anyway, moving forward, we're going through the portal now. I get a lot of XP because I had a lot of gold. Now what do I need or want? So, this time I have the missile drone, which is handy. So it's not down that way. So now if I destroy things, things around it take fire damage. I don't know whether that's really that great or not, but I hope it is. Seems to be doing good damage. 270, eh? I could lose here, couldn't I? This elite has so much health. Just die. This thing's still alive. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're gonna take this. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's my first active. I don't know what frenzy means, but okay. Sounds cool. But we're doing pretty good, I think. Aha! What is this? More steak. Come on. Ah, that's a very big thing. These raids are difficult. Which is unfortunate. What's shooting me? Oh, that thing. What's this? Found it! Hello. How are they? Why are they jumping at me? Killed it. Why did it do a thingy? Actually, first, there is nothing to claim, actually. I thought that all those blue things are things that I could buy. They are not things I can buy. There has so far been very little that I can buy. I need lifelink, or the thing that gives you health whenever you deal damage. Defeat 3,000 enemies. Apparently I've done that. Didn't think I had. What is that? What is that? I am more worried about this guy killing me. I died? I was invisible! Okay, well, today we only really had time for one match, but I promise for more Risk of Rain content later. See you guys later. Bye!